A heavy string is tied at one end to a movable support and to a light thread at the other end as shown in the figure. The thread goes over a fixed pulley and support a weight to produce a tension. The lowest frequency with which the heavy string resonates is 120 Hz. If the movable support is pushed to the right by 10 cm so that the point is placed on the pulley, what will be the minimum frequency at which the heavy string can be resonated? Fine. So initially what is happening at this condition? T, that is a tension, will be equal to mg, and this tension will be in the heavy string too. Fine. So the first condition is that the heavy string is vibrating in its lowest frequency, and this lowest frequency is given as 120 Hz. So the lowest frequency will be when it will be an antinode, only one loop, half loop will be formed, and this is my lowest frequency condition. So at that, lambda by 4 is equals to L. Let L be the length of the heavy string. Fine. So in that condition, lambda by 4 is equals to L. So lambda comes out to be 4L. Now nu lambda is equals to wave velocity. So nu times of 4L is equals to wave velocity. Fine. This nu is given as 120 Hz into 4 into L is equals to V. Let's say this is my first condition. Second, if the movable support is pushed to the right by 10 cm so that the point is placed on the pulley, what will be the minimum frequency now? So in this case, the condition will be like this. This is my pulley, and light string is completely down now. Fine. So it will be in fundamental mode for frequency again, because this frequency has to be minimum again. This is my length L. So in this case, lambda by 2 is equal to L. Lambda will be equal to 2 times of L. So nu lambda is equal to wave velocity. So nu into 2L is equal to V. Fine. Now one thing is that tension will remain the same, because tension depends on this mass. This mass is same in both the cases, and mass per unit length, that is mu of the heavier string, that will also be the same. So the wave velocity in each of the case, that is V1, will be equal to V2, right? And of course the length will also be same. So if I equate 1 and 2 equation, that is 120 Hz into 4 into L is equal to V into 2L. So this L and this L gets cancelled. This is 2. So nu comes out to be 240 Hz. That is the answer.